piece of walnut. Catch. Man, that's a nice piece of walnut. We got to go to the band, so I'll do some resaws. So let's go.
So we have finished up with the table saw, so we're gonna start moving this way, this way, this way. Yes, there it is. There's the walnut piece, looking really, really good. We cleaned it all up. Now we're doing some layout.
Man, doing some layout. So pretty much what's going on is that this board is about 12 inches wide by 30 inches long, and the laptop that we're gonna be putting onto this piece is gonna be 14 inches wide. And so what I did is I did some layout. It's gonna be 16 inches wide for the top where the laptop's gonna be sitting on, and then we're gonna be doing some waterfall legs for the sides. Those are gonna be 30-degree angles. So we're gonna grab the track saw, start cutting those right now. So let's get at it.
So we finished up here with the track saw for the moment. Not to worry, because it will be back. Since we did do some layout here, we have the legs, but those are going off to the side, right?
And they're going off to the side because what we're going to be working on right now is actually the top. I did some layout. What we're going to be using is the track saw again. We're going to make some lines in here, and we're going to do some inlays. It's going to be absolutely epic, so let's go!
So we finished up with the track saw. We got all the lines created here for this insane inlay that's about to happen, which I can't really explain.
Whoa, so what we have to do is actually grab our chisel, and start cleaning up all the edges. So we finished up chiseling everything on this piece, so what we have to do is actually jump over to the table saw and cut some maple strips so that we can fill these inlays. And it's going to be absolutely epic, so let's go.
So we got all the rock maple pieces all glued up inside here, and it was really not that bad for a glue up, given how technical it was with all these little miters, because each piece was individually cut and fitted perfectly, so that helped out a lot. And is it time for Japanese handsaw?
It is time to cut the excess off of this thing because I want to see what it's going to look like.
So it's definitely 100% safe to say that the Japanese handsaw and the sander are absolutely the dynamic duo when it comes to inlays, because this one turned out fantastic along with all the other ones in the past, and you know, it's just awesome. But we gotta do something different. We gotta do something more insane.
So we're gonna be doing some more inlays on top of this piece right here. So what I'm gonna be doing is actually cutting out this Tesla logo right here. We're gonna be placing it right on top right there, and we're gonna be using this piece of Paduk, which I gotta mill up and clean up because it looks terrible. The bandsaw totally destroyed this thing. I don't know why. Something went wrong with it, but what we gotta do is actually cut this out on the scroll saw, inlay it with some chisels and a router, and so let's get right into it.
So we have finished up with the chisel work here. It's looking really, really nice right now. As you guys can see, what we did is we just went ahead, we outlined the entire Tesla logo right here, because what we're gonna be doing now is go ahead and getting the router out, so it's right there. And basically what we have set up inside is a really, really tiny bit. And
man, it's a 3/32 bit, and what I have to do is pretty much on the CNC machine, and I'm gonna be holding on to it and cutting out this thing so we can inlay that piece and make it perfect.
so I think it's safe to say at this moment in time that we really do have an obsession with cars and, well,
inlays, because man, I keep getting better and better every time.
Yeah, you guys, this was something we never thought we could do without a CNC machine, but we made it possible. It was extremely difficult.
Man, if I screwed it up, this whole thing would have went right in the garbage.
And that almost happened.
It almost did, because one of these pieces did crack, but it was the top that cracked, not the bottom piece. It's kind of weird how I said that, but it worked. We'll put it that way.
The part we sanded off cracked, so
yes.
We were good.
Yes, we were good.
So, yeah, I mean, this is going to be the top of the laptop stand that we're creating. We got the two side pieces there.
So it's going to be on an angle like so that the laptop can be, you know, on an angle, and you can flip it up. But then these legs are going to be cut on an angle. I don't know exactly how this is going to work. I got to draw it out, figure it out, design it, make some epic, crazy stuff again. But this video is over. Subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you on the next one.